Today we'll discuss question number 4. So here is the question. From the following balances, calculate cash from operation. So 2 years informations are given. First year 2005, second year 2006. First, bills receivable, debtor, bills payable, creditors, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, income received in advance, profit made during the year. So here current asset and current liability are given. First thing, we should classify which is current asset and current liability. Bills receivable is current asset, debtor is current asset, bills payable is current liability, creditor current liability, outstanding expenses current liability, prepaid expenses current asset, accrued income or income receivable current asset, income received in advance, it is current liability, and profit is given. When we see profit, first year profit is nothing, second year profit is 70,000. So profit made during 2006 is 70,000. This entire profit belongs to 2006. That is 70,000 minus 0. So that is 70,000. So after classifying current asset and current liability, we should see whether balance increased in second year or decreased. For example, when we see bills receivable, first year bills receivable was 50,000, and in second year bills receivable is 47,000. Compared to first year, second year bills receivable is reduced by 3,000. Similarly, debtor, first year debtor was 10,000, and in second year the balance is 12,500. So second year debtor balance is increased by 2,500. Like that, we need to see whether balance increased, I mean current asset increased or decreased. I have taken the format. This is the format. So first we need to take net profit and increase in current. We should add non-cash and non-operating expenses to profit, and we need to deduct non-operating income to profit, and if current asset decreased should be added, if current liability increased should be added, if current asset increased should be deducted, if current liability decreased should be deducted. So first one is bills receivable. It is decreased by 3,000. Current asset decreased by 3,000. Bills receivable. So if current asset decreased should be added. Second, debtor increased by 2,500. If current asset increased should be deducted. Bills payable increased by 5,000. Current liability increased should be added. Creditors, current liability decreased. If current liability decreased should be deducted. Outstanding expenses increased. Current liability increased by 200. Outstanding expenses increased should be added. Next, prepaid expenses. Current asset, prepaid expenses 800 has become 700. Current asset decreased by 100. Prepaid expenses decreased by 100. Prepaid expenses decreased by 100. And accrued income, income receivable 600 has become 750, increased by 150. Current asset increased. accrued income 150. Income received in advance, current liability reduced by 550, current liability reduced. Income received in advance 550 and profit, so profit is being taken. Next, so complete the format, balance the format. Non-cash and non-operating income is nil. $70,000. Non-operating income is nil. So operating cash before working capital changes is 70,000. So take the total of plus item 3,000 plus 500, 8,000, 8,000, 8,300, 78,300, 2,500, 4,500, 4,500 plus 150 plus 550, 5,200, 78,300 minus 5,200, 78,300 minus 5,200, 73,100. 73,100 is cash from operating activity.